Hey guys, it's Alex from Kiss My Keto here, and I'm here today to let you know a little bit about our capsule bundles. So let's get started. So first off, we've got the MCT capsules. This is our best-selling MCT oil in a soft gel. There's 300 in here. We've also got the Keto Energy, which is the caffeine, L-theanine, and the MCT oil. It's basically a coffee replacement in the morning. Then I've also got for you the Keto Focus. Now that's a great brain and memory support for you. It's got all the naturals in there like bio ginkgo, all the things you need for a great memory and brain fog reducer. Keto Burn is one of my favorite. This is a fat incinerator. It's got the Garcinia cambogia, it's got the apple cider vinegar, it's got a whole host of different ingredients in there that's gonna help you burn that fat immediately. My goodness, so many capsule products, I can barely hold them. We got the Kudos Stabilized. This is a blood sugar support. It's got berberine in there, and basically take this, it'll help regulate your insulin, especially when you're starting keto, and it's a 90 capsule count, so it's about a 30-day supply. One of my favorites, this is the exogenous ketones in a capsule with caffeine. Now we all know exogenous ketones are salt, they don't taste so great, so it's a simple form in a capsule, easy to take. And finally, last but not least, we got the KetoReplenish. KetoReplenish, I take this every day. We make it in a powder and a capsule form. This is the capsule form. It's 240 servings. This is almost a year of electrolytes, and they're high dose with pink Himalayan salt. So that's it. You can see I'm overloaded with capsules here. Get your bundle soon. They will not last.